This is Precious. Precious is a 10-year-old Jack Russell. And she is a very sweet girl. She had some skin issues that are getting ironed out. You might see a little pink on her rear there a little bit. That's starting to fill in since she's been on a good diet. Hi, sweetie. But she's a very good girl. 10 years old, spayed already. Oh, good girl. And she likes cookies. Very treat motivated. Oh, look at that face. This is Bo. Bo is a Jack Russell mix. We got a couple of Jack Russell mixes in. And Bo is just over 3 years old. And he's neutered already. Oh, good sit. He likes his treats. It's a very nice fella. Loves to play, likes his ball, likes to do tricks. You know, tricks, you stand. Well, can't get the full effect while he's in the kennel. But he'll do standing, and he'll give you his paw. And he'll be very trainable. Oh, what a good boy. Good sit. This breed is known for being very clever. And he is very attentive. What a good boy. Oh. That's a good doggy. We'll see you later, Bo. This is Gladys. And Gladys is going to be our dog of the week.
This little girl is Gladys. Gladys is a 1 to 2 year old Chihuahua, and she is waiting to be adopted into her new family. Gladys is spayed and in good health. She enjoys her treats and is very attentive to people. She may seem a bit shy in her kennel here at the shelter, but it just takes a few moments to warm up to new people. Very quickly, she will climb in your lap and try to give you kisses. She is very calm and won't need long walks, but she will like sniffing around the yard and maybe helping with the gardening. Gladys mostly just wants to be where you are and will bond closely with her new family. She will be best suited for an adult household because she prefers the calm environment, and she is well suited to be an only pet because she wants all of your love for herself. Come meet Gladys.
This is Herbert. And Herbert is a Jack Russell, maybe Jack Russell mix. And he's a very cute fella, very handsome. He does tricks. He likes to play ball. We have him listed as about a 10-year-old, but he acts like a much younger doggy. He's very healthy, loves to play. He'll stand for you and do his prairie dog trick. He likes to stand on 2 feet, show you how cool he is. You gonna do your trick? Oh, a little bit. They're gonna cheat with the kennel if they can. But he's a very good boy. He likes his pets. And he likes to play. He likes his toys. And very clever doggy. And if you look at that face, you would never think that was a 10-year-old doggy. Oh, what a good boy. Oh, you want your treat? Okay. Treat motivated. Very happy to see his people. He's going to make somebody a very good pet. This is Sam. Sam is a 4 to 5-year-old neutered male lab mix. And he just looks like a black lab. We're not really sure if that's all he is. He acts like a black lab. Oh, you want your treat? Very treat motivated. He's being treated right now. He's had a urinary tract infection. So we're getting that worked out. He should be feeling much better about that by next week. He is neutered already. And he's a very sweet boy. I don't think this kennel life agrees with him very much. But we're going to get that worked out. As soon as he's a little bit healthy, he'll get adopted into a nice family. Oh, you want that treat so bad. What a good boy. Do you sit? Can you sit? 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 You going to sit? Oh. No, just give me the treat. I'm going to stand here and be cute. That's what I do. So, he's still young and very treat motivated. So someone can have the pleasure of training with him. It's good bonding time. He is very attentive, very treat motivated. So he's going to be a very trainable puppy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. We'll see you later, Sam. Hi, this is little Sassy. Sassy is a long-hair Chihuahua mix. And Sassy is 2 to 3 years old, and she's a female. I don't think she's been spayed yet. She has been spayed? Okay. So that's probably why she's wearing the collar. That's a good girl. So she's recently spayed. And look at her. She's just very cute. That's what she does. She's treat motivated. Oh, that's a good girl. And she's going to have all those little Chihuahua tendencies. She's going to want to get in your lap. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh. That's a good girl. Sassy is a good name for her. And I don't know if you can see very clear, but she's a black doggy, but she's got little brown feet. It's very cute. Oh, that's a good girl. So this is Hank. And Hank's a boisterous boy. He's about 8 years old, and he loves to talk. He always tells you what he's thinking. You might mistake that as aggression. It's not aggression. It's Hank saying, pay attention to me. So he is a good boy. He's a Labrador Hound mix. And I guess that the hound is the part that likes to talk. Hey, Hank. He's very treat motivated. He is neutered already. He's saying, give me all the treats. I want all the treats. It's a good boy. Give me the rest of them. Hank, come here. Come here. You give me all the treats. Oh, you good boy. This is little Milton. And Milton's shy, but he's very cute. Milton is a Welsh Corgi Pug mix. And Milton is 5 years old, and he's a very handsome boy. He's a little bit shy, but he loves his people once he gets to know them. That's a very good boy, Milton. He's going to be a lap dog. So come on in and meet Milton. He's ready to go home with somebody. He has such a cute little face.